Okay. Hey, welcome to the first Sunday mortgage training of 2018. This info on conventional loans today is going to be offered to you, just assuming that you know nothing about it. So I hope it doesn't bore you. It's entry level. We do more during the year, more classes. The content will become more complex, so it's more involved. I estimate this is going to be about a 15 to 20 minute training with a Q&A at the end if you have questions. I'm recording it also, and I'll upload it to the VIP agent website if you want a refresher later or miss this one. Okay, so let's start. I'm discussing conventional loans today. Okay, so a conventional loan is a type of mortgage that is not part of a specific government program, such as FHA, USDA, or VA loans. Conventional are commonly interchangeable with conforming loans since they're required to conform to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's underwriting requirements and loan limits. However, loans can also be non-conforming loans that do not conform to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac requirements. Such are loans that exceed the conforming loan max of $679,650 against non-conforming properties like hotels. Non-conforming loans held by mortgage lenders on their own books are called portfolio loans. They can set their own guidelines for these loans and not sell them to investors, as we're going to be a little more flexible than conforming loans. Homes can take out conventional conforming loans with as little as 3% down payment in most circumstances. Borrower puts less than 20% down payment will pay an additional monthly expense for private mortgage insurance. However, in most cases, they'll pay for the mortgage insurance by offering a slightly higher interest rate. And this borrower. The insurance protects the lender in case the borrower ever defaults on the loan. Other than that, it's a pure expense to the borrower. Loans can be amortized between 10 and 30 years. The interest fixed for the whole loan term or for part of the term, and then can become adjustable. The loan is a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage where the rate never changes, and therefore neither does the loan payment. But some may benefit more from a 30-year adjustable rate mortgage that is fixed for the first 5 years at a rate, then adjusted annually for the remaining 25 years. I mean, this could be attractive to someone staying in the home for only 5 years. Or there are 30-year ARMs where the rate can be fixed for the first 3, 7, or 10 years, giving borrowers more choices. Conventional loans require good credit. Conforming scores as low as 620 and non-conforming loans as low as 680. However, rates and mortgage insurance offered rise substantially the lower the credit score goes. Interest rates are available when the credit score is 740 or more. The maximum debt-to-income ratio for a conventional loan is 43%. However, it can be made for DTIs as high as 50% with strong compensating factors like credit or large cash reserves. Borrowers can also gift from a relative or nonprofit agency to pay for the entire down payment and loan closing costs. Now, so the programs, they're the most popular and offer the better rates. This cheat sheet that I just read from for you to use with your client, and of course, I'm also available to discuss it with them or with you on a one-on-one basis if you'd prefer. At this point, a few of you came in a little later after we started, but it was a topic. But if you have any questions as far as Q&A, I'll be happy to answer any. I think right now I've got a couple of people on the call, so I started on time at 10. But me, if you're not on mute or if you'd like to ask a question, please do so. I'll stay on for minutes. I hope you can hear me.
Nevin, how's it going?
Hey, Nevin. Oh. Hey, Nevin, I think you're the only one that called in.
Am I?
I don't know. I can't tell.
The one who's listening?
No, actually, there's a few others. I see this now. This is a new software for me, so I'm still learning it. But thanks for calling in.
I thought I would. What's up?
You did this training, kind of, right?
We did an email from Kristen recommending that I start checking out your Mortgage Monday, and I figured, why not?
Yeah, no, I appreciate you calling in. No, I just thought it was kind of neat because, like, we just went over it too, and you know, you're a refresher, so that's good. Like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna be uploading this as well as all the other videos that I'll be making for the trainings on our VIP and website. And by the way, have you signed up for that yet?
VIP agent website?
Yeah, it's this the VIP agent program. Is, VIP program. Thank you. So go to MidPac loans .com/agent program where I can sign up. Yeah. Just put in your name there and email, and it's like just 4 pieces of information. Then you'll be I'll bring you those specific services guaranteed when you have a referral or have a deal going on, as well as your borrower will get a discount on their transaction, whether it be a gift card at closing or on the points, whatever it be. But it'll be changing periodically what the offer is to your customers. I'll be updating everybody with that. So I'm recording this, by the way. So
actually, I'm on the website right now signing up. Well, right now, probably no questions. We did just go over this. But are you going to be doing this every Monday?
Monday, more like every other Monday, twice a month.
Is it going to cover the same thing, or is it going to cover something new, every other Monday?
Every Monday I'll have something new, and my approach is going to be like, knowing about the subject to everyone. So if people, it'll be somewhat bored, but the issues are going to be coming up, like foreclosures, bankruptcies, things like that. I've got a whole list that during the year we're going to be covering. So in about a week in advance, I'll be letting everyone know what the topic's going to be. And it's also, I believe, listed on the specific properties training calendar now, too. I think Beth put that up there with the topics already. So, yeah, it's there, and I'll be letting you know what the topic is in advance also.
Agent program right now, and I will, so the next time you'll be doing this is next Monday, or the following Monday, or next Monday?
Exactly, 2 weeks from now.
Okay.
Right.
I'm adding it to my calendar.
Thanks for calling in.
No doubt. Bye-bye.
Bye.